Guruji, what is the importance of Pitru Tarpana?
Now, these days, Pitru Tarpana has been a very misunderstood or wrongly practiced sadhana. But if you understand, we all come from the DNA of our ancestors. So that invariably means that we have come from a specific DNA. Now that enormous amount of DNAs, because many people, they get married and the lineage goes on, so enormous mix and match of the DNA happened, and finally in that DNA also you have selectively selected specific genes to dominate within you. You have all your grandmother's, grandfather's genes within you. You have all your father's, and the possibility is, if you see, you have all the possibilities of your father's brothers, father, and all your mother's brothers and sisters possibility within you. You can have the nose of your, your mother's brother within you. You have the possibility of having anybody's nose. So all this DNA is there. Sanatana Dharma, they said, remember, until otherwise you find peace within your own ancestry, that means your own DNA, they're already there live within you. Now people say, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, he left long ago. Now what is the point in doing something for him now? Because he's happy, he must have been happy somewhere. He's not anymore. Now why should I take care? You're not supposed to take care. You're supposed to take care of the DNA of him within you. Remember, that is all live. Your nose may not be looking like your uncle, but your child's nose will definitely, there is a possibility, can look like your uncle. That means the nose of your uncle was dormant within you all the while. Until otherwise you don't find peace with the DNA within yourself, so you have to find the peace within your own DNA and make sure that only the best evolution, to do evolution you need to have that selective genes to come up and surface. Yes or no? You don't want all the sufferings of your ancestors to come up and make you a sick person. You want all the best things to come up and surface in your life. You have to surface. Now the modern science also accepts it is the cell wall, or it is the cell that signals or that sends the message into the nucleus to surface the gene in the nucleus. So you need to continuously call the best genes in you. That is the reason why they say the Pitras, when they go to the higher dimension, they will, if you take good care of them and if you do Pitru Tarpana, they will bless you and enormous amount of blessing will happen. How? Because when you find, remember, you don't get something and can stop yourself from by being influenced with the negative and the positive. If you hold something, you have to be influenced by the, affected by the negative and the positive of it. If you are holding a scorpion in your pocket, there is always a chance to have a sting, yes or no? And if you are having a blade in your pocket, there is always a possibility it can cut you anytime, any small wrong move can cut, provided the blade is not properly sealed. Provided, yes or no, the scorpion is not properly handled. In the same fashion, if I have a rose in my pocket, I cannot stop myself from smelling that rose. Yes or no? You can't have a bad thing in your pocket and stop yourself getting affected by it. You can't have a good thing in your pocket and stop getting affected by it. In the same fashion, you can't have the DNA of all your ancestors within you and stop getting affected by it in some way or the other. So, the Sanatana Dharma Maharshis, in a specific schematic energetic modulation way, explained a process where you can find peace within your own DNA. and focus on what you want to surface in your life so that you can selectively bring out those qualities hidden deep within from generations together to surface so that they serve your purpose the best. They, not the DNA, serve the purpose the best. So it was an energy experience where you find peace with your own self and modulate your own DNA in a specific way so that you bring out the possibilities within you. We are all ancestors. We are all very interested to ensure that we want progress in our life. Yes or no? Our ancestors also, they want, they say. But then though, do you really think you are living a life and then you want your are you thinking about your great-grandchildren? Are you even thinking about your great-grandchildren's great-grandchildren? No, no. You're not thinking. You're only thinking about your children. Then why do they say ancestors are also interested in our upliftment, and if we get uplifted, why ancestors get? All this, if you understand, it's the DNA, the selective improvement. If you know how to modulate your system, even modern science these days accept that. You can bring out and surface any gene within you and you can make it have a dominance, and you can suppress any gene within you. You can do that. You can gene modify. But what the modern science does not know is you can even do it consciously. These days they are accepting it. These days the top end researchers are accepting it. So Pitru Tarpana is an energetic conscious modulation system given by the Sanatana Dharma so that you can find peace within your own DNA and find an excellence expression within you. Am I clear with you? That is the reason why it is done facing towards the sun. It is done in a specific places like in Buddha Gaya and specific places. There are 3 specific places designed, because if you understand the solar and if you understand the latitude, longitudinal pertinence of those areas, then you will be amazed to find that all the 3 Gayas are in perfect latitude, longitudinal placement. And from there, if you know how to align to the sun, and if you know how to receive or they understand the process where the potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy and kinetic energy again be converted into your own potential energy, how you can modulate those stages of energies in a proper way, the Vidhi, Pitru Tarpana Vidhi, if you can know. It's a fantastic way to enhance your own DNA so that you and your capabilities can be better manifested. Your Pitras are well living within you as your own DNA. They are not living elsewhere. Your grandfather is living within you in the form of DNA. Now you need to get rid of the negative part. You need to surface the positive part, because your life matters to you the most. You are committed for your success because you know you're born to succeed, because you know you are designed to succeed, and success is inevitable for you. Jai Gurudatta, Jai Gurudatta, Jai Jai Gurudatta.